In this video, we're gonna unbox the Samsung Galaxy A11. So let's go. Hey guys, my name is Fahim and welcome to my channel. So in this video, we're gonna unbox my new phone. So I just got a Samsung A11 because I'm an iPhone user for a really long time. So I had an iPhone 5, 6, and then a 7 Plus. Because I still use this one, but I want to get the new a Samsung Galaxy A11 to try with Android. So I got this for a pretty good deal. So I got this for $180. So you can find this from around 200. Even sometimes when they sell, you can find this for 160, 170, like that. So there's the Spectrum Mobile. So then there is the carrier I got. So this is a carrier locked by Spectrum Mobile. So it's a new carrier, just came out like in not so long ago. So let's just see what does it come with. So I'm gonna just crack it open. As you can see, it's sealed because this is the Samsung Galaxy A11 and it came out this year as well. So it came out 2 or 3 months ago. So in the back it said the spec and what does it come with in the box. So we're gonna just slip it open and see what does it come. First there is the manual that we're gonna put there to the side. We're gonna check that out later. And then there's the main device. So we're gonna put this actually to the side and see what else does come in this box. So over here there is the fast charging adapter. Guys, for $200 it come with a type C. So it have type C, so that's good. So I already have a Galaxy bar, so I can use that charger. And as you can see, this is a type C cable, and in the right there is, oh, there's nothing. So I think it's supposed to come with the headphone, but I think it's carrier lock, so that's why it didn't come with that. So in the top there's a headphone jack. Yeah, I know this is 2020 and it still have the headphone jack. In the bottom there's a speaker and the type C, and in the right there's the power on button and the volume rocker. Okay, so first I'm turning it on and see what does it do. Okay, so I'm gonna do the gaming test and other kind of setup in probably in the future videos. So guys, now let's see what does the manual is in the manual box. So in the manual box there is a two paper. One is a safety guide and another one is the quick start guide. Okay, so I'm gonna just put that back because I don't think that anybody will read a manual. So we're gonna just put the box. We're gonna just put everything in the box, guys, because I already have the fast charger and the type C cable. So guys, in my next video I'm gonna do a gaming test. So see you on the next one. Also then, peace out.